let's go. We're in. It's crazy. It's crazy.
We need a host.
Oh, wait, guys.
Parasites be like. What's up, gang? Welcome back to Nature Documentary 3, The Treatful. Today, I'm your host, Mia, and I'm here with Aiko and everybody else for Violet's 17th birthday. This is a crazy moment. We go. Woo! Me right now for Violet's birthday.
Action.
A little bit.
A little.
I'm gonna start a little. I really want to do this. Alright.
Take them off.
I sure.
To anyone saying that they can't do this in slippers, which you can see a lot of people doubting themselves. I'm gonna say that that's what mine said. And you are however strong that you want.
This shit is steep.
Bruh.
Technique. What do you rate my bulge?
Huh?
6 or 7.
Oh, he mostly call you mid as fuck.
5 is mid. 6 is above average.
This ain't about nature.
I found a show.
Fun fact, nature has existed for almost forever.
Huh?
Say something about the climbers.
Climbers fucking weak, pathetic, sad, depressing.
How do I do no hands?
I still love them though, but damn, it's pathetic. Look at the view though.
Don't do it, no! You have so much more life to live.
Dude. You just need to jump. There you go.
Fingers deep in the sand.
Huh?
I mean dirt. No! No! What's up, guys? Anything to say about nature?
I love nature. It's so primal.
So you're always talking about living this primal lifestyle. Can you please elaborate more on that?
Well, I wake up and I eat some bugs.
Huh?
What kind of bugs are we talking about? Like ladybugs? Lemons, tangerines?
Tangerines. I'm trying to be like tangerines. And then I wrestle a bear in a creek.
Wrestle a bear in a creek? What creek? What creek is this?
Bear
Creek? Okay. What else? Is that your entire day? You wake up, you eat bugs, you wrestle a bear, you go back to sleep?
Yeah. Sometimes I'll punch down trees like Minecraft.
Oh, okay. And would you say that Minecraft is right?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Video games are very private.
Got an easy way.
Excuse me, Riley. Riley,
Huh?
would you consider yourself a master of the primal lifestyle?
What?
Would you consider yourself a master of the primal lifestyle?
I reckon I would.
Oh, I reckon you came from a town that said reckon a lot.
I reckon I did.
I reckon so. Do you have any words of advice to people who are trying to live a primal lifestyle such as yourself?
Do this.
Oh, the caterpillar blade.
Oh, is it?
Really healthy for you.
Healthy how? Can you say some of the
got-
benefits?
It's got antioxidants.
Okay.
That can't be good.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
Is it? Do you eat it?
Yeah, you can also use it as a suppository if you want.
Can we see that in action?
Yeah, I got you.
Now see these red leaves. These are good for you. Yeah. But see these green ones?
They're actually filled with microtoxins. So,
Microtoxins. Can you
yeah.
explain what that is?
It's like a toxin, although it's deadlier.
Oh, what makes it deadlier?
Stop questioning my methods.
What is that?
We found a native.
Are you about to commune with the native?
One of the hallmarks of knowing it's a native is that he's got a red stomach. Oh, not too red.
Huh?
I don't trust him.
Turn him around, turn him around, turn the native around.
Oh, you can see this, yeah.
He's a redneck.
It's not too red, actually.
Maybe this one's not ripe yet.
Yeah. Never seen one like that. Let's just keep going. I don't like nature. I was lying the entire time I was posting the last documentary.
We found an opt in the wild.
I knew there were more than 5 colors.
I freaking hate nature.
No. No.
You want to elaborate on that?
I'm fine.
Nature's icky and gross. Hey, Mr. Primal. Oh. Have you heard rumors of a slender man living in this forest? This forest? This forest. I've heard of him, yeah.
You've heard of him?
Yeah.
Have you seen a slender man in person?
One time. It was dark out though, so it could have just been a native.
Violet? Where are you?
Oh!
Have you folks heard any rumors of a slender man living in this forest?
I only heard of a slender woman living in the forest. I've seen him.
You seen him?
He almost took me.
He almost took you? Took you to where?
Almost got me. To his lair.
To his lair?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Up there. I was being dragged. I'm sorry, this is emotional. I was being dragged by my hands.
Can we get a reenactment of that?
Slender man lives up there, and the mysterious saw wizard lives down there.
Mysterious Saw Wizard? I'll find the mysterious Saw Wizard. Can you leave us?
The forest is crazy, bro.
Who do you think sent the boulder?
God!
God?
Praise the Lord. Actually, it was that guy who lives down there.
The action.
Follow me. Follow me. He doesn't want us here.
Have you ever seen the Crazy Saw Wizard?
Only once.
I see him every night.
Delivered me as a child,
Oh.
and then he smoked my left foot.
Do you have any memories of this?
No. All accounts as to remember.
Can you go pull up on that branch?
Wizard. I'm going home.
Wait, the dog wizard's right behind you!
So, I'm Isaac's baby daddy. He's my kid. I love you, Isaac. I've always been here for you, okay? No, I'm his baby daddy. And he doesn't understand that his mom is manipulating him and keeping him away from me when I've done nothing wrong. Just because I left for a few years, that's not a bad thing. I'm here now. He should be grateful.
Gwitty.
That's pretty good. That's pretty
Right?
good. That's pretty good.
Oh, what's going on over there? Get out of the shot!
I'm sorry. And we're touching large, extra large, and in charge. Put it right in your face, swipe your nose, take a credit card, hop on top. I want to ride. I do a kegel. What's inside? Spit in my mouth. Look at my eyes. Pussy is wet. Come take a dive. Time me. Like I'm surprised. Let's roleplay. I'll wear disguise. I want you to park that. Then I got truck right in this little garage. I don't cook. I don't clean. But let me tell you, I got this rain. Don't me. Follow me. Down the side of me. Wait, you guys made me telling you. So we're gonna tell me about you. Talk to you. Talk your shit. What's up, champion?
What up, Pops?
Oh!
My bad, champion.
Is this it?
He's high now.
Whoa. That was hella realistic.
And we're in charge. Extra large and in charge. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose, take a credit card. Hop on top. I want to ride. I do a kegel. What's inside? Spit in my mouth. My eyes. Pussy is wet. Come take a dive. Time me. Like I'm surprised. Let's roleplay. I'll wear a disguise. I want you to park that. Then I got a truck right in this little garage.
It's Slenderman!
You can't stone the Saw Wizard.
Is that Slenderman?
You guys have said that like 8 times.
I'll just slowly slide down.
Slenderman, you want to be besties? Yes.
Okay.
Wow, I guess that's
Come on, come down here.
Oh wow, Slenderman is not friendly.
Come down, we're friends.
lying.
He's scared.
He's scared. It's okay, Slenderman.
Get him now, Zal Wizard!
Wait, I
That felt like more
You're gonna die in
sexual.
10 seconds.
I throw.
You're gonna die in 10 seconds. It's like the death note?
For the last episode I watched, it's like rainy days are for sex or something. Basically, right? Okay, wow. It starts off with them going on a hike up to some like Vietnamese temples. And then after they're done with that, they go back to the hotel and like shebang. Okay, yeah, no, you don't have to reenact that. After they shebang, they go out at night on a field tour, and they go to like, it's really cool because it's like rainy, and they're walking around. They tried this like dumpling kind of thing. They went on a boat ride through this like Forest River. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I liked it. I liked it.
Will you rate it?
Wait, did it show them shebanging?
That episode was good.
I got you now, Slenderman. Your reign of terror is over. Get stoned.
Oh.
Can you cut to that?
Thanks for watching.
Hey,
Dar family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just remember, here at Dar Man Studios, we aren't just telling stories, we're changing lives.
When I wake up, I like to eat my toast, the food I crave the most. Crisp like autumn leaves, a warm a summer's day. Bread, butter, and jam, hooray. Like to be hung cause I'm free as I butter my bread. Happy as to be happy because happy will feel good. I'm munching on warm bread.
Walking around to see a person sit down, believe subject with the blood isn't hemophilia, and I heard they got hemophilia. What is that, you ask now? Let me explain. It's a rare mutation kind of hard to attain. Under 200,000 cases a year, but it's pretty severe. Hemophilia makes your blood can't clot, so when you get an injury, your blood don't stop. It keeps flowing out and you lose blood excessively. I keep staring at this person intensely. They're so super hot, but I don't want my future love to pain. Then this whole situation drives me insane. It's an F8 gene that causes the mutation and puts the coagulation in a bad situation. Coagulation is a protein made by the gene. It makes blood clots where blood isn't seen outside of the body, which is the main symptom. Excessive bleeding and red peeing. It also causes bruises and deep growing pain. But now I try to contain all my nerves and all my thoughts because they are so super hot.
She don't use her Instagram, she be using Shannon Graham. She don't use her Instagram, she be using Nuke Radio. Main event at SummerSlam, main event for right price. I was wrong one time, now I'm getting right twice.
Nuke Radio. We make your eardrums bleed.
I just shoved a nuke up my pussy.